Hello friends, welcome to my channel Debug Well, and in this tutorial we'll try to understand a null coalescing operator. Before getting into the definition, let's quickly flip to Visual Studio and see a practical working of how can we use null coalescing operator. This is a small console application where we have a string field gender which is set to null, and we are getting data from, let's say, some user interface, and it is set to female, and if gender is equal to null, then we are setting it to male. If not, whatever value we are getting, it will be printed here. So in this case, gender is set to female. This code will not get hit, and we should be seeing female as gender. Let's quickly run the application. Alright, gender is female. So far so good. And now consider a situation where from the UI we don't get any value. So in this case, gender will be null, and then this case will become true. So our gender will be set to male, and let's run the application and see. Gender is male. Perfect. Now let's see where we can use and how we can use null coalescing operator. I'm going to uncomment this line of code, right? So gender has a female value. Now this two line of code can be written in one line for the same logic using null coalescing operator. Is equal to gender. If it is null, set it to male. So basically these two lines are same as this line. Okay, so initially the gender is female, means it's not null, so it will be printing female. Let's run the application. So any gender is female. Perfect. Now in case, let's comment this out. Now gender is null. Since this is null, this default value will be taken and will be printed. Let's debug this scenario. Okay, so we run the application and we check the value of gender. It is set to null, so we go one step down and we see the value of gender, and it is set to male. We can check here also, it is set to male. Let's quickly switch to the slide. So null coalescing operator is used to define a default value for nullable value types or reference types. It returns the left hand operand if the operand is not null. Otherwise it returns the right hand operand. That's it for today, guys. I hope you like this video. Click on like button, subscribe to my channel and comment. Thank you.